Hello everyone, I'll be teaching you how I beaded this front piece for this corset that I made. So basically it's just a simple method, and you can actually do this in front of your dress, any form of dress you are actually making. So after you have threaded your thread, you insert it at the back where you want to position it. After inserting it, you attach. You can attach up to 4 beads, but I like using 3 beads. You can use 3 beads or 4 beads based on your preference. Then after that, the bead, you place it on the place. So where the beads end, you would attach you insert your needle there, then bring it to the midpoint, to the middle of the line, then draw it out. Then you insert it backwards into 2 beads. This is to make it firmer. Ensure that anything you're doing, make it tight. So that's already in place. So from where you stopped, you insert it in, then bring it to the next side. This is to start the next line. Then you insert another 3 beads. Where it stops again, you insert it here. Then you take it to the middle like this. Then insert it backwards through 2 thread. So then from where it stops again, you insert it and take it to the next line. You can actually use the normal beading needle, but this method I can use the normal beading needle. I can use this bead needle because it can enter a crystal bead. Then I will insert 3 beads again and repeat the process. Where it stops, I'll insert the bead inside and take it to the middle. Then I'll take it backward into 2 beads. Ensure you draw your thread well to make it firm, because you don't want your beads to be loose. Then you take it again from where it stops, insert it, then move to the next line, then insert another 3 beads. So it's a very simple process, and basically that's the way I achieve all my beads for my neckline, and it's so beautiful, full. So you just keep repeating the process till you cover your neckline. So share and follow for more bead tips like this, and if you have any particular bead tutorial you want me to show you, I can go ahead and make the video. Thanks for subscribing and liking for the video. Bye.